Well, we're heading to another auction. That's what we do on this channel. Hit subscribe, by the way. 75% of the viewers are not subscribed. It's the only time I'll ask you to turn something red to a different color. I think it turns gray. That's actually Farmall regular. We are down in, I believe, Portersville. I don't even know what county. I haven't figured that out yet. I don't think it's Mercer County. Could be Lawrence County. Could be Butler County. Most everybody has heard the term bulletproof tractor. Okay. Mine are missile proof. That's why a missile comes down, and when the missile's done, the tractor's still there. Either way, we're going to check out some red power. This auction is Saturday. This is Kerr auction. Always down for checking out some red power. Aren't you? Just to give you a quick pan of what I can. This is the auction last year that I missed out on, that 656 Hydro. Yeah. I'm going to get you guys all warmed up. Looks like a 4 foot by about 6 or 8 foot long chicken coop. Take on it, all brand new. Right? A lot of people getting into yard birds. Well, it's zip tied. That's fine. Look at the flooring in there. Okay, that's plywood. That's good. It's not OSB. Yeah. Somebody had the wherewithal to put that down. But this is a nice coop. Oh, got some IH suitcase weights right here. These are the big handles. And if I'm not mistaken, these are going to be more for the 86 series. But I don't care. I'd run those. Even on my 826. All right, got some fast hitch stuff. Something there to make a... Looks like maybe a carry-all unit. Nice. Got some rear wheel weights. Item 211. And if you outbid me on these, you'll be in heaven. A rear hitch with the roller. Nice for a 560. Uh-oh. I think we have a C36 fast hitch disc here. So this is probably going to be a 7-footer. And on these, you always look at the box bearings and see they're chipped up, because that's what happens when you're working rocky ground. They get chipped up and you can't find them. You almost have to go to a boneyard and find them. And these do look okay. I'm not reaching my finger under there to check that one, but yeah. I don't know, man. Be quite honest with you. This looks decent. Real decent. It looks like somebody had them and they've been sitting, but all the parts and pieces are here. I mean, the cleaners, everything's here, man. Oh, wait a minute. I see something. Okay, that must be the old... I don't know. I can't make it out. 157. Huh. Got an A here. Looks like it's set up for cultivators. It's got the cultivision, so it needs cultivators. Wheel weights in the rear. Good skin on there. Little checked, but not bad. Yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, almost tripped. And there you go. Looks like somebody's been into this, which is a good thing. You want somebody into that, because that's your filter. John Deere 1050. Got a Kubota here with an LA 680 loader. I'm going to guess this thing probably 40 horse, 35, 40 horse. Something like L4200. There you go. So it could be 40. It appears like maybe a set of case discs. And probably maybe 8 to 10 foot. There's a nice tractor. Allis Chalmers D17 diesel series 2. So you know what to do. Good skin on there. Front and rear respectable. Hey, there you go. Diesel, you ain't no weasel. 18438. Those are 10 bolt duals. Now, this is a set of International 370 discs, And there's a lot of debate around these. 11 discs, blades going across the back. All right, missing one there. I call these 14 because outside back blade to outside back blade on mine is, I mean, it might be an inch or two under 14. And I pull these with the Super M. There's videos of me doing that in the Super M playlist. So if you haven't seen that, and you're new to the channel, or you're just haven't seen it, go check that out. But yeah, 370s. Okay, we were just talking about these Field and Road Firestone 13.6 38s, brand spanking new. Dual City here. This is 20.8 38 clamp-ons. Got the hardware right there in the bucket, Kirby Puckett. There's an 830 case, diesel, New Holland 5610. We're gonna whiz right through these. All is Chalmers B, made in Chagrin Falls, Ohio. A leader of the pack. I've never seen one, to be quite frank with you, and somebody's gonna know about these for sure. So we're gonna brand new skins on the rear. Yeah, the old 3-point hitch on the back. Looks like somebody made up, but nevertheless, it's there. The old Deca special right there. Huh. Oliver Super 55 gas. And skins look good, front and rear. Everything about this looks good. Well, what would an auction be without a Cub? Well, this just isn't any old Cub. It's got the 1000 loader on it. And when was the last time we saw one of these sell? RES auction last fall. Brand new skins on the rear wheel weights, new steers. Just looking at it without checking the serial number, I'm going to go 1948 on the Cub. Could be plus or minus a year. Check out this bucket. We are missing the, you know, should big letters international, and then 1000 loader, and then you put your IH sticker right here. But this is it, man. And this is one of them situations where, you know, when you start compiling things, the rear skins, the front skins, the loader, we're in a different classification as far as bidding. These are neat, these are handy. Typically the 1000 means that it's capable of lifting 1000 pounds. Would I lift 1000 pounds with a Farmall Cub front end? No, I would not. Would I lift 2 to 3, maybe even 400? Yeah, absolutely, all day. Single cylinder, so you're not looking at a trip bucket. Nice step up here. Seats in excellent shape. Big handles, I love this. You don't have to reach far, it's right there in front of your face. Excellent Firestones, 11-224s. I mean, 23 degree. Wow, it's set up even for a fast hitch, but of course I wouldn't do that. This would just be a loader Cub. Old Cubby. You know it. We don't see too many of these sell. Probably one every 2 to 3 years pops up, and they're always in good shape, just like this one. Every blue moon I get a guy that'll ask me, do you ever see any W9 standards? Well, I'm looking at one right now. It's not a figment of your imagination at all. Really good skins on the rear. Good steers. This is a beast. This sucker looks like it'd pull a house right off a foundation. House of Nation. Good grief. Now, a bet man says Ty Frank's going to eat this alive and spit it back out, because Canucks. Yeah, see, this is for tillage. It's a wheatland version of the Farmall. Good grief. Reminds me of that. I mean, it's not nowhere near as big, but it reminds me of the 1206 that sold 2 years ago down at Martin's. Good gravy. Hey, old W9. It's beast mode. Still got the knobbies on the rear. Still got the knobbies on the rear. You're in the clear. Boom. Here we go. We got a gas 656. And this has got brand new skins. I mean, 4 rib fronts for less compaction. At least that's what I'm led to believe. 9.5 L15 SLs, and it looks like 15 538s on the rear. We're going to check that out. Beautiful sign here. Look, there's no friends at an auction, but let's make an exception to the rule with that. That needs to go home. Oh man, this is sharp. I've seen a lot of gassers. I've driven gassers, even got the chrome stack. I've driven gassers, and this is probably the nicest one I've laid eyes on. Somebody put some time into this, hands down. Hands down ski. Yep. Bowl got some sediment in it, but just means it's doing its job. TA. Okay. Firestone. Okay, they're 16.9 38. Good skin on there though. Okay, so he made up his own adapters, got the fast hitch and or power up, gravity down, and then yeah, it's a well equipped 656. And yeah, these are 16.9 38s. Good size skin for a 65 horsepower tractor. Let's do a little Regulator's Mount up. That's just because who we are. All right, grab that, step here. Do your partner. All right, yes. He did not exercise his right for a brand new cap. But I don't know, man. Okay, they've got the brake locked here. That's wise. We are on a little bit of an incline here, facing up just a little. Push in that clutch. Let me see. Popper. Give her some choke. She runs, no doubt about that. Boy, these are right here and handy, nice. You know, just for moving stuff around the yard, maybe doing mulch, picking up sticks, stuff like that. This would be a handy little sucker, I have to admit. Yep, nice machine. See, the carburetor's got that return spring on it. And what happens when you pull the choke, it wants to spring back. And so you almost have to hold it manually while you start it and then let it go. Kind of neat in a way. For a guy like me, I would take that off. I'm very experienced running the Farmall machines. But yeah, there you go. Think that'd fit in the cubby hole? Oh, if you need tires, he's got a wagon full of them. Steers, rears, you name it. Looks like some implement tires over there. 4 rib, 3 rib, 3 rib. There you go. All right, a 5610 Series 2. Very, very nice looking tractor. Bonnet on it. Loader. Fork adapter there. 4 rib. Yeah, nice machine. Well, Milwaukee to boot. Got a red on there. Little Ford 2-bottom plow. And this is essentially the 3-point hitch version of the C36 disc that we just looked at, the fast hitch. Look like another set of internationals, maybe 8-footers, 10-footers, and these might be 37s. Here we go, we got another cubby. Looks like maybe a late 40s model as well. It's got the Woods 42C rotary mower, not finish mower. The finish would be like the Woods L59, but yeah, check this out. How about this thing runs like a top? And it's even got a first on race day coil. Here we go. We got a 311 fast hitch plow, and everything's here. There's nothing missing. It has the depth wheel. All the coulters are in place. Cover boards. It even has extensions. Yeah, this would be one to buy. You can see the old blue paint up here. No kidding. Nice piece right there. And it's even got the, up here up top, still got the old stickers. Okay, something I missed here was a carry-all unit. It is going to go with that. Pretty good size too. HD. The tag says anything that, yeah, carry-all. Yep. Like a 290 John Deere 2-row. These will slam some sweet corn into the ground. Got a 10-foot cultivator here. A cute little sucker. Food plot special, or just in one of those fields that it's kind of tight getting to. And boy, it could be a John Deere. Yeah, it's John Deere. There you go. Got a 5100 grain drill, and there's your acre counter. But yeah, got the press wheels in the back, and this is, yeah, it's double disc, so bells, the whistles. I don't think I see a grass seeder. No, but it'd work good for soybeans. The in between the H and the M, the Super H, about 29 horsepower. Looks like new brake springs. Skins are okay, they're checked, but you'll have that. And yeah, there you go. Looks like a 7-shank disc chisel Glencoe, which makes a good disc chisel. And I look at this, man, and I wonder, 826 pull this? Them some big, I mean, everybody's like, oh, 10 horse a shank. Yeah, the disc is a bigger unit than just a chisel plow unit, though, you know. I don't know. I'm not saying it wouldn't. I wonder how deep I could go. I don't know. Farmall, excuse me, International Farmall 544 gasser. And I got to tell you, from a distance, I thought it was a Goldilocks. Smooth steers, good rears. And DeHaven Farm, you know all about these because you own one. New distributor cap at the very least right there. And yeah, there you go. High back seat. Like I say, good rears. Fast hitch. Yeah. One remote. This is the more desired of the 404, the 504, and the 544. Seems like in that series, everybody wanted these. There's an Oliver 1650 diesel front weights. Yeah, there you go. Well, I know a couple people looking for these. This is a 2000 loader. It's got the dual cylinders. That's the giveaway. And it's here. Kerr auction. Well, there you go. Those are some of the things I found interesting and that over the years the viewers find interesting. And last year this was really muddy here. Today's going to be sunny with a little breeze. That'll dry things out. Tomorrow, same thing weather-wise. That'll dry things out. It's going to be dry here Saturday. Even if it starts to rain, then it won't have time to get wet until Sunday. And most everybody will be gone by then. But yeah, interesting auction, man. Whew. Cubby, 1,000.